Hello fabric enthusiasts, welcome back to FabFlair. Dry cleaning, a term we often hear, but do we really know what it entails? Today we delve into the world of dry cleaning to understand the process, its benefits, and why it's the go-to choice for many of our delicate garments. The dry cleaning process. Unlike traditional laundering, dry cleaning uses a chemical solvent to clean clothes instead of water. Here's a step-by-step look at how it works. Inspection and tagging. Each item is carefully inspected for stains, damage, and special care instructions. Tags are attached to ensure each garment is tracked throughout the process. Pre-treatment. Stains and spots are treated using specialized solutions tailored to the type of fabric and stain. Cleaning. Clothes are placed in a large machine filled with a liquid solvent. The most commonly used solvent is perchloroethylene, or PERC, known for its ability to dissolve grease and oils. Post-treatment. Any remaining stains are retreated, ensuring they are completely removed. Pressing and finishing. Garments are pressed, steamed, and ironed to give them a crisp, professional finish before a final inspection and packaging. Benefits of dry cleaning. Dry cleaning offers several advantages over traditional washing. Gentle on fabrics. The solvent used in dry cleaning is much gentler on fabrics compared to water and detergent, making it ideal for delicate materials like silk, wool, and cashmere. Effective stain removal. Dry cleaning is particularly effective at removing oil-based stains, which can be difficult to eliminate with water-based cleaning. Prevents shrinkage. Since no water is involved, dry cleaning prevents shrinkage and distortion, maintaining the original shape and size of the garment. Prolongs garment life. Regular dry cleaning helps preserve the color, texture, and overall integrity of fabrics, extending the lifespan of your clothes. Environmental and health considerations. While traditional dry cleaning solvents like PERC are effective, they come with environmental and health concerns. Exposure to PERC can be harmful to both humans and the environment. As a result, the industry is evolving towards more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. Dry cleaning is a crucial service for maintaining the quality and longevity of our favorite clothes. By understanding the process and benefits, we can make informed choices that are gentle on our garments and the environment. Next time you drop off your clothes at the dry cleaners, you'll know exactly what goes into keeping them looking their best. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to FabFlair.